Oh, it's been a Monday already. There was an animal in the neighbor's trash, so when I took the dogs out this morning, mayhem ensued. I would go to feed them and discovered that, oh, my house is infested with piss ants. And I've got to go to the vet with the dog this morning too for an ongoing bladder infection issue. So I'm going to get ready, and I've got Mr. Keebler and his pal Al. See what they got to offer us. It's Crimson and Clover. Clover. I can't even talk this morning yet. Okay, I'm going to have fun getting ready. Hi, Vegas. Yay, you're a good girl. You are. Yes, say hello. You got a clean bill of health from the vet. That's excellent. Yeah. Okay, I'll let you get back to your morning nap. I'm going to have to harvest basil because, as you might see, some of it is starting to bud, and so cut it back and hopefully keep going, and because I love pesto. Well, hi. Despite the fact, with the ant infestation this morning, taking the dogs to the vet and realizing if I don't do something with the basil, we're going to have eat me. The plants are going to take over. I had a very productive day. I did my day job. You can see here, hanging here is my semester calendar here to keep me on track with my day job. And I've been doing a lot of charity work with my ukulele stuff today. Two projects in the works. One is Survivor Girl Ukulele Band, and the other one is looking for a music therapy organization that works with autistic children to donate ukuleles to. And so with a Survivor Girl, I should tell you about Survivor Girl, right? Survivor Girl is run by Lori Kolovig, and she goes to Calcutta, India for half the year and works in a shelter there where they rescue victims of human trafficking and forced prostitution. And so these girls have really bad self-esteem. They're not literate. And the goal in that shelter is to help uplift them so that they have more skills in order to function in the world after, first of all, really horrible life circumstances, and then just, and then just general, being impoverished, what those things do. So isn't the ukulele a great tool for that? And it becomes a springboard for literacy because many of them don't have a good ability to decode symbols. And so she actually works with them with paper. Anyway, they need funds. And I was hoping to sell Survivor Girl ukulele headstock, or I'm getting reflections, there you go. Headstock ornaments. I've got a bunch of them that Lori sent me, and I was hoping I was going to sell them at all the festivals I was going to go to. Yeah, and you know what happened with that. So let me show you what it looks like on an instrument. And I'll put a picture over here, some more of them. And so anyway, 20, 15 and $10 options. The difference is the 20s are like mine. They're cotton. They're very intricate knots on that, very, very fine knots. Yeah, can you see that? Whereas the less expensive ones, they're using nylon cord, and the knot work is bigger. They're easier to crank these out. So if you're interested in something like that, let me know down in the comments below, or actually better yet, Facebook Messenger or Instagram direct messages. Let me know through those outlets, and I'll get you a color that you love that you can put on your ukulele, and I'll send it to you, and all the money that I get goes directly to Survivor Girl. So that's that. I'm hoping to get, I got a goal of getting her $500 more, and I'm already 120 today. Yeah. So, yippee you. I've been putting all this stuff out on social media with that, and then working to find that outlet. So things are progressing in that. I still have to practice tonight and all that good stuff. But hey, I've been loving the comments. Loving the comments that you've been leaving. Please leave me more comments. I'm liking to hear about your life. That's really cool. So please let me know about that, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully I'll get filming of some tutorials done. All right, spreading the ukulele love. And Freud says hello too. Bye-bye.